Although this is just a general look at the box and the contents of Natura. I've only just got this, I've seen it on Instagram. Huge box full of these pellets. Loads. So I'm hoping to just scatter these around the garden, around my veggies, sprinkle a few around the plants inside and in the beds and in the... Wait, what's this? Oh, ish comes. It's not a cat. Sorry, saw the bum. Yeah, so I've included a link to Amazon in the description where I bought these from. So yeah, if you're interested in buying, yeah, feel free to click the link. According to the website, apparently the pellets are it's equivalent to 3 bags full of compost, or 3.5 bags full of compost. So yeah, click the link below, and cheers for looking at the video. Bye. As you can see on the box,